Okay, Eustace Roofing's story starts 60 years ago from the ground up. So here in Florida, the codes and everything here is probably the strictest that you'll ever see in the roofing industry. It's a lot different than your northern states and what you guys see. There's a lot more structure here as far as how they want things done. Here at Eustace Roofing, we wanted to be different. We wanted to save homeowners from bad roofers. And we couldn't do that by doing 1 or 2 houses a week. So we had to find a way to do that better and more efficiently. And so what we did is we said no subcontracting. Number one, it's illegal unless they have a roofing license in the state of Florida as a subcontractor. So we want to create an atmosphere for them to work in that they want to achieve goals. They want to give you an awesome roof. There's a lot of sacrifice to get to where we are, a lot of hard work, a lot of dedication, and a lot of coming together as a family to do that. So when I advise a homeowner on what to look for in roofing is, one of the number one things is passion. I mean, you gotta go with somebody that has a passion for what they're doing. They gotta believe in what they're doing. And if you go to my page, or if you go to our website, if you go to our YouTube page, you are going to see passion. It's not all monetary gain or things like that. It's passion. It's passion for the employees. It's passion for you, the homeowner. Passion is what I look for. And that's why, you know, with the creations of YouTube and Facebook and all the social media stuff, how involved is that company? Is it important to them? If you have a problem with your job, you can come see me. And so I do believe in brick and mortar and a place that you can go to if you can't get a hold of your roofer.
It's all about teamwork, and this is how we do it.